Few vehicles in history evoke the spirit of freedom and adventure quite like this one. This is the Volkswagen Type 2 T2b, better known to many as the late bay window VW Kombi. Produced in the mid to late 1970s, this iconic machine didn't just transport people. It defined an entire generation of road trippers, dreamers, and explorers. Looking closer, you can see the distinct features that make this specific unit so special. It's equipped with the legendary Westfalia Campmobile package. Notice the iconic pop-top roof that expands for extra sleeping space, and those classic louvers or jalousie side windows designed for perfect ventilation during warm summer nights. Painted in a striking two-tone pastel blue and white, with the spare tire proudly mounted on the nose, this bus is the definition of vintage perfection. Step inside, and you're immediately thrown back to a simpler time. The interior has been meticulously restored with clean, crisp white upholstery that contrasts beautifully with the black retro dashboard. There are no fancy touchscreens or digital displays here, just 3 simple analog gauges, a large classic steering wheel, and a long manual shifter reaching up from the floorboards. It's a purely mechanical connection between driver and machine. Driving a T2b isn't about speed, it's about the journey. Powered by an air-cooled engine tucked away in the back, it delivers a unique, nostalgic hum as you cruise down the highway. With its massive front windshield and high seating position, the view of the open road is completely unmatched. You don't just drive a VW Kombi, you experience it. Decades after it first rolled off the assembly line, the VW Westfalia remains the ultimate symbol of wanderlust. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.